Dear Mum, of all the vaginas in the world, I'm so glad I tumbled out of yours. Love, the crassness of POD. We are seeing across the board that humor is getting a lot of love. Through Valentine's Day, through Christmas, we are seeing that humor is helping you zig when everybody else is zagging. So in this video, what I'm going to share with you is the dates that we're going to hit, when to start testing, the angles we can use, and the one thing that's going to help you succeed like nothing else, which I'll tell you at the end. So the dates. First up, we got Mother's Day UK on the 27th of March. Shipping cutoff's probably going to be around that 20th of March. So keep an eye on the ShineOn Facebook group. They'll keep you up to date on that. So we're ramping up until that period. Right now, we're in the middle of the sprint and it's not too late. We often see our most success come in those last 10 days and we can make a lot of money in a short time period. That's the beauty of print on demand. Next, we've got the USA Mother's Day and that's going to be on the 8th of May. I think Australia's also got that same day, so you could target them as well. So with the 8th of May in mind, May 1 is going to be your shipping cutoff, so you want to start testing the end of March. So as soon as the Mother's Day UK is done, then you want to start gearing up for your Mother's Day USA launch. And what are the angles that are going to have a lot of success? Or some success. It's not guaranteed. But the angles that I'm going to be using humor, are the mother-in-laws, the future mother-in-laws, the boyfriend's mum. These are angles, these are intros that you can use. The unbiological mother, the stepmother. Play around with them. There is a lot of humor that I've been seeing across the board. I'm going to show you some quick ideas that I've found in my own travels, in my own research that you can use too. So first up, what we've got is the Gear Bubble Best Sellers page, and what I'm looking for are these mugs. The mugs are a great way of getting inspiration for these quirky, funny, humorous angles that we can use. So if you're going to the pet niche, this one's a great one. Being my cat dad is really the only gift you need. Obviously, it's not Father's Day, so the natural way we would change that would be to being my cat mum is really the only gift you need. So you can hit the pet owners with this stuff as well. I love this one. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Happy Mother's Day. Love from your second born. Great. Very funny. But Gear Bubble has a ton of bestsellers that you can come in here and get inspiration from. Dear dog mum, thank you for being my mummy. If some other woman was my mum, I'd piss on her shoes, chew up her wireless phone, and go find you. Now, be mindful of using profanity in your actual designs because you can get flagged. I've been flagged. You get disapproved ads. This one's really cool. I'd fight a bear for you, dog dad. Not a grizzly bear or a brown bear or a panda, but maybe a Care Bear for sure. I'd fight one of those sons of bitches for sure. Love, dog name. Here's another one. Dear bonus dad, thank you for being my stepdad. Dear bonus mum, thank you for being my stepmum. If I had a different stepmum, I would punch her in the face and go find you. Love, blah, blah, blah. Here's a great example of a blend that you can use on a moneymaker, something that you've seen winning previously that you can go and slam on a different phrase and make it something completely unique. You are the luckiest dad in the world. You are the luckiest mum in the world. I would love to have me as a daughter. These things have sold a ton, and on Gear Bubble you can see on a lot of them how many they've sold. So this one, this mug here, 1,520 units sold, but that's the beauty of this. There's proof. It's like using a spy tool like Spy Pro or DMM Spy. DMM Spy and Spy Pro, they give you the amount of reactions that are happening on a post. Anything above 500 reactions typically means someone's investing in those ads, because when you're promoting a product, never do they get those kinds of reactions without some money being put behind them. So how do we target the UK Mother's Day? Well, we do it through our ads manager, and then when they hit ShineOn, ShineOn geolocates them to that region and they will ship them from their Amsterdam facility. It's actually very, very simple. Nothing changes apart from your spelling and grammar and the region you're targeting in your Facebook or TikTok ads. Now your ad setup. If you're going broad, the Dirty 30 seems to be working quite well. That's Kirsty's method and you can see him teaching it on his videos. Or my method if you're going into the niches where you're getting 1 ABO and 8 ad sets with your interest in those. And the one thing that you absolutely must have to bring this all together and for it to succeed succeed is a bulletproof print-on-demand mindset. A mindset that allows you to go to war with your Facebook or TikTok ads, put in the work, and believe that success is coming for you. Because it is. If you stay committed, if you are in here doing the learning, watching all my videos, subscribing, ringing that notification bell, if you're doing all those things, success will come to you. I really hope you enjoyed today's training. If you did, make sure you like below to let me know that you did enjoy it so I can create more content for you that you find helpful in the future. If you've got any questions or comments and you want to share your thoughts, make sure you comment below because I want to see them. I want to hear them. I'm here to help you. I value your opinion. And lastly, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I put out videos all the time, multiple videos each week. So if you don't subscribe, you may miss out on the future trainings to help you succeed in your own print-on-demand journey. See you in the next one.